Veterinary College Alumni Association Kerala, Manuthi, is honored to felicitate our alumni with distinguished achievement during the year 2020 and 2021. Professor Dr. Soshama Iyer, she is a 1958 batch alumna of Veterinary College Manuthi. She is presently the Director of Projects, Vechur Conservation Trust. Our achievement in the year 2020-21 include Dr. C.M. Singh Memorial Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 from Pashudhan Prahare, India. Dr. Ramaswamy Kalyan Sundaram is a 1971 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuthi. He is presently working as Assistant Dean of Research. He is also the Professor and Head, Department of Biomedical Sciences, University of Illinois, College of Medicine, Rockford, USA. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: is named 2020 Inventor of the Year by the University of Illinois at Chicago for work for developing a vaccine against the human filarial parasite and the dog heartworm parasite. He has won research grants worth more than $3 million from the National Institutes of Health, USA for vaccine research. Professor Venugopal Nair is a 1972 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuthi. He is presently the head of Viral Oncogenesis Group at Pirbright, UK, visiting professor at Oxford University, Imperial College London, and General Investigator at Oxford. He holds Royal Society International Professorship jointly with Seoul National University. He leads the UK-China Centre of Excellence for Research on Avian Diseases. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he served as a board member of the Jenner Vaccine Foundation and Jenner Institute, Oxford, that was involved in the development of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine. His established research project worth £635,000 as part of UK-USA collaboration on consequences of transmissible vaccine on disease ecology and evolution. He has established major collaborations between UK and China for research on avian diseases. Dr. Geeta Cherian, she is the 1974 batch alumna of Veterinary College Manuthi. She is a distinguished professor in animal nutrition, Walter H. Ott Endowed Chair, Poultry Science, Department of Animal and Rangeland Sciences, Oregon State University, Corvallis, USA. Her achievement in the year 2020-21 include recipient of American Egg Board Research Award 2020 for research pertaining to all areas related to eggs like egg production, safety, product quality, or egg science technology. Dr. Prakash Kalarikal is a 1980 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuthi. He is presently working as Vice President, Business Development, Sexton Technologies, USA. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he's introduced the novel Sext Ultra sperm sex sorting technology, which can produce an average of 93% female calves to India. He established 3 semen sex sorting laboratories in association with Bharatiya Agro Research Foundation, BAFE, Pune, Uttarakhand Livestock Development Board, and Madhya Pradesh Livestock and Poultry Development Corporation, Bhopal. Dr. Sunil B. is a 1984 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuthi. He is presently working as Professor and Head, Department of Livestock Products Technology and Meat Technology Unit, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Manuthi, Thrissur. His achievement in the year 2020-21 include: he is selected as ad hoc expert on World Veterinary Association Strategic Focus Group on One Health. He is the first person from Kerala to serve as an ad hoc expert of WVA. Dr. C. Lata, 1985 batch alumna of Veterinary College Manuti, is now the Faculty Dean of College of Veterinary Animal Sciences Manuti, and she is also the Professor and Head, Department of Veterinary Public Health of the same college. Her achievements in the year 2020-21 include: she is entitled as Fellow of National Academy of Veterinary Sciences in 2020, and she has also been enlisted as one among the inspiring lady veterinarians of India by Prerna magazine in the year 2021. Dr. Raghu Ravindran. He is the 1990 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuti. He is presently working as Associate Professor, Department of Veterinary Parasitology, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Pukod. He has patents to his credit, and his achievement in the year 2020-21 include: Indian National Science Academy Teachers Award 2020. He is an external expert of Department Research Committee for Zoology at Kannur University since 2019, and he is the Senior Managing Editor, Journal of Veterinary Parasitology since 2016. Dr. John Abraham, 1993 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuti. He is presently working as Associate Professor in the Department of Livestock Production Technology, College of Veterinary Animal Sciences, Pukod. He has various patents to his credit, and he has developed and designed machines and technologies for use for the livestock sector. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he has received a patent for the method to produce biodiesel from rendered chicken oil. He has authored a textbook on swine production and management in the year 2020. Dr. Sulekha SL is a 1993 batch alumna of our college, and she is presently working as Assistant Commissioner in Department of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying since May 2016. She is the Head of Credit, Extension and Poultry Division of DAHD, India. Her achievements in the year 2020-21 include: she is the member of Indian delegation to Denmark on cooperation in breeding technology in bovine and porcine sector in January 2020. She has developed the National Action Plan on African Swine Fever in the year 2020. She is a nominated member by the Government of India to the Veterinary Council of India. She is the Executive Committee member and member of Regulation Committee of VCI. Dr. Bishore Ibrahim, 1993 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuti. He is the CEO and Managing Director, UBio Biotechnology Systems Private Limited, Cochin. He is also the founder of iVet Diagnostic Lab, Ernakulam, Kerala. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he has developed Sensit COVID IgG IgM Rapid Test Kit, Sensit COVID Antigen Rapid Test Kit, and Viragin COVID Real-Time RT-PCR Kit. He has entered into agreement with Indian Defence Research Establishment for developing detection systems for bioweapons with anthrax, toxins, cholera, and tularemia. He started the iVet Veterinary Diagnostic Lab in Ernakulam. Dr. C.K. Shahib is a 1993 batch alumnus of Veterinary College Manuti and now the Honourable Member of the Kerala Public Service Commission. His achievement in the year 2020-21 has been that he has been nominated as member of Kerala Public Service Commission, and he has also received the Best Veterinarian Award 2020 from IVA Kozhikode chapter. Dr. Jomi Jose, 1994 batch alumna of Veterinary College Manuti. She is presently the Head Pathology Department of Toxicology Division at RCC Laboratories Private Limited, Hyderabad. Her achievements in the year 2020-21 include: she's led the team to plan and execute preclinical vaccine studies in least turnaround time for the development of India's first indigenous vaccine for COVID-19, Covaxin, by Bharat Biotech. She leads the team which has completed preclinical studies for an intranasal COVID vaccine which is currently under clinical trials. Dr. Naveen Surendran is a 1998 batch alumnus of Veterinary College, Manuti. He is presently working as a principal scientist at Pfizer Vaccines in New York since 2020. His achievements in 2020-21 include: he's worked in the team for the development of Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. He has been honored by IVA Kerala chapter on World Veterinary Day for his contribution to COVID-19 vaccine development. Dr. Mohammad Aslam MK is a 1996 batch alumnus of Veterinary College, Manuti. He is the Assistant Professor of Livestock Production Management of Kerala Veterinary and Animal Science University Base Farm, Kolalamed, Idukki. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: Best Veterinarian Award, IVACON 2021, IVA National Chapter and CII, New Delhi. During his tenure as a General Secretary, IVA Kerala bagged the award for Best Association in the World from the World Veterinary Association. Dr. Mahesh Narayanan Nair, 2003 batch alumnus, Veterinary College, Manuti. He is presently working as Assistant Professor, Meat Science, Department of Animal Sciences, Colorado State University, Kentucky. His achievement in the year 2020-21 include: he's received 2021 Achievement Award of American Meat Science Association, co-chair for 2021 RMC at Colorado State University, serving on the ASAS Meat and Muscle Biology Symposium Committee, and he's won research grants worth more than $225,000. Dr. Arun T.R., 2004 batch alumnus of Veterinary College, Pukod. He is presently working as veterinary surgeon, Veterinary Dispensary, Nelliyambadi, Palakkad. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he has been elected as a member of Veterinary Council of India. He is also the nominated member of Board of Management, Kerala Veterinary and Animal Sciences University. Dr. Muhammad Asif, 2011 batch alumnus of Veterinary College, Manuti. He is presently an MVSc scholar in Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Extension Department of Veterinary College, Manuti. He is a literary figure, and his achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he has won Kerala State Government's Best Farm Journalist R. Heli Memorial Karshaka Bharati Award for the year 2020 in the online media category. Dr. Manoj M., 2013 batch alumnus of Veterinary College, Pukod. He is presently the MBSc scholar in Veterinary Public Health in College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Pukod, Kerala. His achievements in the year 2020-21 include: he's entered the Guinness World Record on the title The Most Chain Links Carved from Pencil Lead Graphite with 45 cm long chain having 212 links. He is the first veterinarian from India getting into the Guinness World Records. He has entered India Book of Records for carving the names of all east and west flowing rivers of Kerala. Now, I want to introduce the Team Department of Surgery, Veterinary College, Pukod, which comprises of Dr. Dinesh P.T. He is the Assistant Professor and Head of the Department and is a 1990 batch alumnus of Veterinary College, Manuti. His teammates include Dr. Suryadas S., 1992 batch alumnus, Dr. Reggie Burgess, 1994 batch alumnus, Dr. Jinesh Kumar NS, 1999 batch alumnus, and Dr. Ramya V, 2004 batch alumnus. Their achievements for the year 2020-21 include: they teleguided the surgeons at Windsor Animal Clinic, Penang, Malaysia, for correction of persistent right aortic arc, ligation of patent ductus arteriosus, strichopharyngeal myectomy for management of strichopharyngeal dysphagia. Congratulations. Thank you.